Hello and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials. My name is Rebecca Escott and today we're going to be working on an already glittered and epoxy tumbler. For this 20-ounce tumbler, I did go ahead and use Patriotic, which was one of my favorite blue glitters from AB Designs. So I've already went ahead and epoxied it using Counterculture DIY's Fast Set so that we can jump right into designing this tumbler. So this is a 12 by 12 sheet from BAMF Custom Creations. These are opaque, which means that we can use these designs on any colored spray paint and or glittered tumbler. As you can see, I already had to place one at the bottom. So the design plan was to start right here at the bottom, and I'm going to work each rose around the tumbler. So no matter how you turn this tumbler around, you're going to get to see these beautiful flowers. Once I have all the flowers placed, then I'm going to add in the leaves. So I want to mention that this Stickercal sheet was very easy to work with. They peeled right off the backing, and when placing these, just like any other decals, you just want to place them where you want them, working yourself from the center out. This will help prevent any wrinkles and or air pockets. Keep in mind, these designs on this sheet did not need to be sealed. They are literally ready to pull and place onto your tumbler. So here I decided to go ahead and speed things up a little bit. I really wanted you guys to see the whole entire making of this tumbler. And again, you can place your flower designs however you please. I hope this gives you some inspiration as to how you want to do yours. I really hope you are enjoying this video, and if so, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials coming soon. So I want to mention that adding these leaves, I truly believe that this was like my most favorite part because it really tied all of the roses together and really brought this tumbler full circle. I did end up using all of the leaves because I didn't know when to say when, and at this point, like, I just really wanted all this real genuine floral appearance to come forth on this tumbler. So this is my last leaf part, and I decided instead of putting all three into that one particular section, I actually cut this out. So I cut one of them out and was able to place it somewhere else. And you can truly do this throughout all of the leaves if you decided to. You can cut these however you decide and however you see fit for your particular tumbler. Again, just have fun with it. Think outside the box. I cannot wait to see the designs that you've all come up with. And if you do decide to replicate this tumbler, make sure you tag me as well as BAMF Custom Creations, because we would really love to see what you've come up with. And just as a quick reminder, once you have all of your beauties placed onto your tumbler the way that you want them, this does not need to be sealed. And this tumbler is now ready for a second coat of epoxy. For this coat of epoxy, I'm going to be adding in Glorious, which is an epoxy additive glitter from AB Designs. For the second coat of epoxy, I'm going to be using Fast Set from Counterculture DIY. So I want to give a huge shout out for the Fast Set from Counterculture DIY, as well as the Stickercal sheets from BAMF Custom Creations for making it completely possible for this tumbler to be made in a day. I want to thank you so much for watching, and be sure to find us on Facebook at Everything Tumbler Tutorials for continued learning. All links will be in the description for you below that were in this tutorial. Make sure with any coats of epoxy that you use your heat torch to pop any bubbles that you may or may not be able to see.